How to install Shopify Translate and Adapt app. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard you can navigate to the setting in the bottom left corner here. You can click on it, and then in the setting page you can scroll down and navigate to the languages here. You can click on it, and as you can see, I only have English and maybe I want to add another languages, maybe German, French, and so other. So as you can see, you have an option to install the Shopify Translate and Adapt app here. So if you want to add the reviews or the description, you can click on it, and then it will brings you to the Shopify App Store. And then you can see the description, you can look at the features here. So you can see a lot of option here, and you can also see the reviews. So you can, see the reviews. And if you think it's good, you can just click install here, and it's installed to your Shopify store. And as you can see, you can localize content from English to another languages. So maybe you want to change the or the translate the products. You can click on it. Then you can just click next. Now, as you can see, you have the reference and the English for Australian. Maybe you want to tweak something from your description or the title, to adjust it to the Australian market, in my case. So if you go back, you can also, translate or adapt another content here. Maybe your blog post, if you want, you can click on it and you can add blog post if you don't have it yet, and then translate it to the language you want. And also another content here, you can explore and experiment. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.